Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Afterpay to Stripe. Adding Afterpay to Stripe allows businesses to offer customers greater payment flexibility through buy now, pay later options, potentially boosting sales and customers' loyalty. This is because Afterpay in many cases facilitates customers to split purchases into installments, making larger items more accessible. And it also allows businesses to get paid upfront, improving cash flow. So, how you can add Afterpay to your Stripe? For this, first open a Stripe and log into your account. After login, go to Settings from the right corner. Then you will see Payment option here. Select Payment Methods from here. Then from your account section, select Edit Setting. Now you will redirect it to this page. Manage your payment methods without code. Scroll down and you will see Buy Now, Pay Later options. From here you can see Afterpay and Clear options. Just click on Turn On and it will be turned on. And that's it. That's how you can add Afterpay to your Stripe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.